Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about a simplifications. So based on fractions, మనం ఆల్రెడీ సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ లో బాడ్ మాస్ రూల్ కాకుండా ఓన్లీ ఓ మాస్ రూల్ నేర్చుకున్నాము. అది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ కూడా డిస్కస్ చేసాము. ఈ వీడియో ఏంటంటే ఓ మాస్ రూల్ అండ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ మిక్స్డ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ సింప్లిఫై 5 plus 5 into 5 divided by 5 into 5 plus 5 into 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5 of 1 by 5 total divided by 1 by 5 of 1 by 5 divided by 5. Now according to BODMAS rule, first of all you have to use of nothing but a multiplication, of nothing but a multiplication. After multiplication, division, next one multiplication, addition and subtraction. DMOS. First of all apply of and division, next one multiplication, next one addition, next one subtraction. Now take first of all here 5 plus 5 into 5 means first of all use multiplication. That's why 5 plus 5 into 5 25 divided by here 5 into 5 into 5 means 25 plus 5. So first bracket into second one here 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5 of 1 by 5. So first of all division of first of all of, that's way 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5 of 1 by 5 means of nothing but a multiplication. That's why 1 by 5 of 1 by 5 means 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 means 1 into 1 by 5 5s are 25. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 means 1 by 25. That's why write 1 by 25 divided by next one here 1 by 5 of 1 by 5 divided by 5. Now again first of all apply of nothing but a into, that's why again 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 means 1 by 25, next one divided by 5. Now here numerator 5 plus 25 means 30, denominator 25 plus 5 means 30 into now 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 25. Already మనకు fractions division తెలుసు కదా. In the case of division of fractions లో the first fraction is multiplying with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Second fraction 1 by 25 reciprocal means 25 by 1 divided by here first fraction 1 by 25 division కాస్త మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది, బట్ 5కి reciprocal ఏమవుతుందంటే 1 by 5. Now 30 cancel, 1 time cancel, that's 1 into here 5 1s are 5 5s are 25. So for 1 into 5 means 5 numerator by denominator. So 1 by 1 into 1 means 1 by 25 into 5. 25 5s are 125. That's a right 125. Now here first fraction 5, second fraction 1 by 125. That's into reciprocal 125 by 1. So 5 into 125 by 1 means 5 into 120. 125 5s are. Now take one more example. Here simplify 2 by 5 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 by 5 minus 1 by 8 minus 5 by 21. Now in the case of this simplification first of all take a bracket. So bracket means find the LCM of 5 and 7. Now what is the LCM of 5 and 7? Both are co-primes. That's say the product of these two numbers will be LCM of 5 and 7. That's what is the LCM 5 into 7? 35. 35 is the LCM. Now 2 into how many 5s are 35? 7 into 7. Simple plus 1 into how many 7s are 35? 5 times. So 5 divided by. Now second one again take LCM of 5 and 8. 5 and 8 are both are co-primes. That's why what is the LCM here? 5 8s are 40. 40 will be the LCM. How many 5s are 48? So 1 into 8 minus symbol minus 1 into 5 minus 5 by 21. Now here 7 2s are 14 plus 5 1s are 5 by denominator 35 divided by 1 into 8 means 8 minus 1 into 5 means 5 by 40 minus 5 by 21. Now here 14 plus 5 means 19 by 35 divided by 8 minus 5 means 3 by 40 minus 5 by 21. Now here the first fraction is divided by the second fraction minus 5 by 2. Here two fundamental operations ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ divided by ఉంది minus ఉంది. So according to BODMAS rule మనం ఏం ఫాలో అవ్వాలి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ డివిజన్. దట్స్ ముందు డివిజన్ చేయండి డైరెక్ట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ డివిజన్ అవసరం లేదు కదా మనకి. సో డైరెక్ట్గా ఫ్రాక్షన్ డివిజన్ చేయాలంటే కనుక ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఈజ్ మల్టిప్లైయింగ్ విత్ ద రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆఫ్ ద సెకండ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. దట్స్ వై 19 by 35 into reciprocal 40 by 3. Next one minus 5 by 21. Now here how many 5s? 7 5s are 35. How many 5s? 8 5s are 40. Now multiply numerators and divided by the denominators. Means 19 into 8. 19 into 8 by denominator 7 into 3. 7 into 3 minus next fraction 5 by 21. 5 by 21. Here 19 into 8 means 152 by denominator 7 3s are 21 minus 5 by 21. Now here like fractions because denominators are equal now, that's both are like fractions. Subtraction of like fractions means write directly same common denominator, subtract the numerators. So 152 minus 5. 152 minus 5 means 147 by 21. So 147 by 21. Now here both are not in the simplest form. That's converted into simplest form. 21 ones, 21 sevens. 7 2 7 1s are 7 2s are 47 times. That's why our answer will be 7. Therefore 2 by 5 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 by 5 minus 1 by 8 minus 5 by 21 will be 7. So this is a combination of fractions and BODMAS rule. Now take one more example. Here simplify 7 by 3 into 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Total divided by 2 plus 1 into 2 by 3. Now according to our BODMAS rule, first of all take 7 by 3 into 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 by denominator 2 plus here mixed fraction. This mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. 3 1s are 3, this 5 by 3. Now use BODMAS rule 7 by 3 here into divided by. According to BODMAS rule, first of all apply division. So 2 by 3 into, so direct division untadi kada. Division means multiply with the reciprocal of the second fraction. What is the second fraction here? 3 by 5. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 means 5 by 3 by denominator. It is 2 plus 5 by 3 means take LCM 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5 means 11. So 11 by 3. Now what about numerators? Numerators here 7 into 2 into 5. 7 2s are 14. 14 into 5 means 70. Thus it is 70 by denominators 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 divided by 11 by 3. Now here first fraction is divided by the second fraction. Means the first fraction is multiplying with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Means 3 by 11. Now here 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So 70 by 9 into 1 by 11. Now here multiply the numerators divided by the multiply the denominators. So 70 into 1 means 70 into 1 by denominator 9 into 11. So 70 into 1 means 70 by 9 into 11 means 99. That's why our answer will be 70 by 99. Now take one more example. Here simplify 10 and 2 by 5 into 8 and 4 by 5 divided by 4 and 2 by 5. Now these all are in mixed fractions. All are converted into, first of all, improper fractions. 10 5s are 50. 50 plus 2 means 52 by 5 into 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 4 means 44 by 5 divided by 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 means 22 by 5. Now here into and division. According to BODMAS rule, first of all you have to apply division. That's why 52 by 5 into 44 by 5, division nothing but a multiply with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now what is the second fraction? 22 by 5. Reciprocal of 22 by 5 means 5 by 22. Now simplify the terms. Here 22 ones, 22 twos. Next one 5 ones and 5 ones. Now here rest of the terms will be 52 into 2 into 1 by denominator 5 into 1 into 1. So 52 into 2 means 104. So 5 twos, 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10. By denominator 5 ones are 5. So 104 by 5. But here the given fractions are all in mixed fractions. That's why the given 104 by 5 writing a mixed fractions. That's why 104 is divided by 5. 5 20s are 100. So remainder will be 4. Now this improper fraction write as a mixed fraction means 20 and numerator 4 by denominator 5. That's why 20 and 4 by 5 will be our answer. Friends, now take one more example. Here 10 2 by 5 into 8 4 by 5 divided by 4 and 2 by 5. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే మనకి జవహర్లాల్ నవోదయ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్లో 2011లో అడగడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని సాల్వ్ చేసి మీకు ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వచ్చిందనేది కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి, మర్చిపోవద్దు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.